In today's video, I'm going to teach you Rotate Pages, Quick Fix. If you've ever opened a PDF and found some pages sideways, this simple method will straighten them out quickly. It's designed to rotate the page content so it reads correctly while keeping the original page size exactly the same. We'll do everything inside Adobe Acrobat using a built-in tool that makes this painless. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. Once it's open, head to the Tools area. You'll see a variety of options there. Look for Organize Pages and select it. This switches your view to a grid of page thumbnails, which makes it easy to spot pages that are sideways. You'll also see controls along the top, including rotate buttons, which we'll use in a moment. Next, select the pages that are landscape, meaning they're oriented sideways compared to the rest of your document. You can click a single page to select it, or select several at once. If you need multiple pages that are next to each other, click the first one, then hold Shift and click the last in the range. If they're scattered throughout the document, hold Control on Windows or Command on a Mac and click each page you want. Take a moment to scroll through and grab every page that needs rotating so you fix everything in one go. Now, look for the Rotate Counterclockwise and Rotate Clockwise buttons. They typically look like circular arrows. Each click rotates your selected pages by 90 degrees. Click the appropriate arrow until your pages are in portrait orientation. If your selection was correct, only those pages will rotate. If you don't select anything, Acrobat applies the rotation to all pages, so make sure your selection is set before clicking. This rotation affects the actual page content, not just how you view it, which is exactly what you want for a permanent fix. It also does not change the page size, so margins and layout remain consistent with the rest of your document. After the pages look right in the thumbnail grid, it's a good idea to glance through a couple of them at full size to confirm everything reads naturally. When you're satisfied, save the PDF. You can use the Save command to overwrite the file or choose Save, as if you want to keep a copy of the original just in case. That's it. You've quickly rotated the necessary pages without altering page dimensions, leaving your document clean, consistent, and easy to read. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.